First five. Ateneo versus Annunciation. College of Sorsogon. Jump ball. All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to Bukal Season 3 semifinals match between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the Asociacion College of Sorsogon Panthers. First quarter underway. Number 14 passes to number 13, pump fakes. Hits the floater, no good. Number 3, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5 drives in, loses the ball and turns it over. And intercepted by number 14. Number 14 passes to his point guard. Hop step, lays it up, no good. Number 14 dribbles the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Extra pass to number 12. Pump fakes, loses the ball. Stolen by number 3. Number 3 passes to number 1, lays it up. It's good. And that's the first points of the quarter. Number 24. Back to number 14 with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14 drives, lays it up, 2-pointer. Number 3. Guarded by number 14 with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12, back to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12 drives, half steps, lays it up, no good. Second chance opportunity, no good. Number 24. Number 24 with 15 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Lays it up. It's good. 2 points. Number 3. Setting up for a play. Passes to number 0. Number 12. To number 14 with 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14 lays it up. No good. Number 24. To number 14. Number 14 fires a quick release 3-pointer. No good. Back to number 3. Number 3 driving, crashing. And a foul was called on number 13. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 12, quick release, 3-pointer, no good. Back to number 3. Foul called on number 24, first personal foul, second team foul. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. But a second chance opportunity by the Ateneo. Number 1 fires for 3. No good. Ateneo ball. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 1 to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0 to number 1. Hop step. Extra pass to number 14. Lays it up. No good. Foul called on number 13. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. Ateneo ball. Number 12 receives the inbound play. Number 3 to number 14. 10-second shot clock. Turns around, loses the ball. Intercepted by Ateneo again. Lays it up. Rejected by number 12. Number 0 not giving up on the play, but still no good. Number 24 to number 14. Guarded by number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Extra pass to the outside man. Fires a 3. Bang! Number 3 setting up for play. Number 3 passes to number 40 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Shot clock violation. Timeout, Ateneo. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 21 seconds of the first quarter with a score of 7-3. Back to the ball game. Number 24 with 15 on the shot clock. Inside pass, but it's a turnover. Number 3 receiving the ball. Making a play for his team. Number 3 passes to number 0. To number 1, to number 14 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 10. Extra pass from the outside man, loses the ball. 3-second violation. Turnover. Number 14, quick release, three-pointer. No good. But a second chance opportunity made by number 25. Passes to number 14 again, pump fakes. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 24 loses the ball. Turnover. Substitution. One second shot clock. 1 second. One second shot clock. Number 24 releases. And that's a three-pointer. Number 3, guarded by number 10. Passes to number 12. Number 12 passes to number 1. Back to number 12. To number 3. 10-second shot clock. Number 12 lays it up. No good. Number 24 making the play for his team. To number 10. Number 10 driving. Lays it up. No good. Number 0 passes to number 1. Number 1 extra pass to the outside man. Fires. Rejected. Number 24 fires again for 3. Swish! Number 3 guarded by number 10 to number 12. Number 12 with 15 on the shot clock. Number 3 receives it back to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12 to number 0. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Fires for 3. No good, but a second chance opportunity made by number 1. Pass to number 3, back to number 12. Fires for 3. It's good! 3-pointer! Number 10 to number 24. Back to number 10. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26, mid-range jumper. It's good! Number 3, controlling the play. Passes to number 0. Number 0 to number 12. To number 1. To number 0 to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12 passes to the outside man. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 1 to number 12. Plays it up. No good. But still, Ateneo ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Foul called on number 10. First personal foul. 4th team foul. Substitution. Ateneo ball. Substitution. Ateneo. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 16 to number 1. Outside pass to number 17. Fires for 3. No good. Number 26 to number 10. Number 10 making play, guarded by number 16. Extra pass to number 12. To the outside man to number 11. Fires for 3. No good. Number 1 running like the wind. Bumps. Lays it up. No good. Foul called on number 26. Foul. Foul on number 10. Oh. Warning for number 10 for faking a foul. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Remaining time, 1 minute and 41 seconds of the first quarter. Number 10, guarded by number 16. Running like the wind, extra pass to number 11, lays it up, no good. Ateneo ball. Substitution. Number 16, controlling the play for Ateneo. Pass to number 0. Foul on number 17, penalty, 2 shots. Number 17, you have 3 fouls. Number 17, you have 1 foul. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Third shot, no good. Number 10, controlling the play for the Asuncion College. Back to number 26. Number 26 loses the ball, stripped away by number 31. Number 31 running like the wind, but slightly loses the ball and turns it over. Remaining time, 55 seconds of the first quarter. Number 10, heavily guarded by number 16. Number 10, intercepted pass, but still, Asuncion ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Number 12 to number 17, 10 seconds to shoot. Outside man, 3-pointer. It's good. Number 16 with 33 seconds on the clock. Foul called on number 12. First personal foul, penalty. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Number 10. Guarded by number 16. Number 10 passes to number 11. Fires again for 3. No good. Number 10 fires again for 3. No good. And that's a 2-pointer by number 12. Shot clock is up. 7 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 16 passes to number 31. And that's the end of the first quarter with a score of 20-9 in favor of the Asuncion College of Sorsogon. Back to the ball game. Number 3 passes to number 0. Number 0 to number 1, fires for 3, badly misses. Number 10 running like the wind, trying to lose his defenders. Extra pass to number 26, back to number 12. Number 12 using his moves. Extra pass to number 26 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 26 mid-range, 2-pointer is good. Number 3 again. Controlling the play to Ateneo. Number 1 passes to number 14. Pump fakes, fires a 3. No good. Number 10 again. Controlling the play for Asuncion College. Lays it up, floater, no good. Number 31 running like the wind. Lays it up. And a foul was called on number 10. Second personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Number 10, running like the wind. Lays it up, it's good. Number 3, passes to number 14 with 15 on the shot clock. Number 14 lays it up, it's good. Number 21 to number 10. Number 10 heavily guarded by number 3. Number 10 passes to number 26. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 6. Second shot clock. 6 seconds. Timeout. Back to the ball game. Six seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds. Number 14 receives the inbound play. Fires for three. No good. Substitution. Number 16 controlling the play for Ateneo. Passes to number 13 to number 31. Number 31 lays it up. No good. Out of bounds. Ateneo ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds. Number 13 to number 31. Number 31 to number 1. Players, no huddle po. Number 16 of Ateneo, unsportsmanlike foul. Substitution. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Driving. Floater. No good. But still, Anunciacion ball. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 21 passes to number 13. Pump fakes. Loses the ball and turns it over. Substitution, Ateneo. Number 30. Setting up for a play. Passes to number 0. Number 0 to number 1. With 15 on the shot clock. Number 14 to number 3. To number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Stolen by number 13. Number 13 to number 11. To number 14. Guarded by number 3. Foul called on number 3. First personal foul, second team foul. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 11 to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. 5 seconds to shoot. And that's a turnover. Shot clock violation. Number 12 to number 0. Number 0 to number 14. To number 3. Lays it up, no good. Number 13. making a play for his team. Number 13, extra pass to the outside man, fires a three. No good. Intercepted pass by number 13. Number 13. Pump fakes back to number 12. Mid-range jumper. No good. Foul called on number 13. Number 13, third personal foul, second team foul. Number 3, passes to number 1. Number 1 driving, floater, no good. Number 24, to the outside man, fires a three, no good, in and out. Number 14. Extra pass to the outside man, number 17, mid-range jumper, no good. Number 17 to the outside man, number 1 fires a three, it's good! Ateneo slowly grasping for air. Substitution. Number 3 to number 17. Number 17, extra pass to the outside man. Lays it up, no good. Second chance opportunity, no good. Third chance opportunity, and it's good! And 1. Foul called on number 22. Number 25, first personal foul, third team foul. Number 17 completes the three-point play and cuts the lead to only single digits. Number 10, pass to number 24, guarded by number 17, quick release, three-pointer, it's good! Number 0, to number 3, number 3, foul called on number 10. Third personal foul, fourth team foul. 14-second shot clock. Number 14 completes the inbound play, but turns it over. Second shot clock, 14 seconds. Number 26 passes to number 12 to complete the inbound play. Number 12 to number 10 with 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 lays it up, no good, rejected by his defenders. Number 3 passes to number 1, lays it up, and a foul was called. Foul called on number 26. Second personal foul, penalty. Second shot is good. Substitution. Remaining time 4 minutes and 11 seconds of the second quarter. Number 10 running like the wind. Lays it up, no good. Number 17 passes to number 0. Pass. Number 1 using his moves. Extra pass to number 0. 4-3. Bang! It's good. Number 10 running. Extra pass to number 26. Number 26. With 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26. Mid-range jumper. No good. Number 16. Setting up a play. Passes to number 17. Number 17 to number 0. Number 0 to number 1. Number 1. Euro step. Lays it up. Using the board for 2 points. Number 12. Guarded by number 0. 8-second violation. Turnover. Substitution. Ateneo. Number 17 to number 16. Number 16 back to number 17 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. To number 0. Number 0 Euro steps, but layup no good. Number 16 to number 26. Extra pass to number 24, lays it up, no good. And a foul was called on number 25. Second personal foul, penalty. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Turnover, Ateneo ball. .14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17 with an easy 2-pointer. Anunciacion with only 1 point lead to Ateneo. Timeout, Anunciacion. Back to the ball game. 20-second shot clock. 20 seconds. Number 12 completes the inbound. Number 26 to number 10 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 20 rejected by number 14. Number 17 to number 12. Bumps, lays it up. It's good. Change favor. Ateneo leads 29 to 28. Number 10 guarded by number 16. Number 10 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Extra pass to number 25. Number 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Quick release three-pointer. No good. But still, Anunciacion ball. Substitution. Second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 14 inside pass to number 25. Foul called on number 14. First personal foul. Third team foul. Second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 26. Pass to number 12. To number 24 with 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24, extra pass to number 26. For 3 points. Anunciacion back on the lead. Number 14. Traveling violation. Number 24 completes the inbound. Number 24 got it by number 17. Number 24. Extra pass to number 14. Pump fakes. Extra pass to the outside man for mid-range jumper. But still no good. Number 3. Pass to number 12. Fakes. Loses the ball and turns it over. Number 24, surveying the scene, guarded by number 17. Foul called on number 17. First personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 17. Mid-range jumper by number 17 is good. Shot clock is off. 18 seconds. Number 17 fires a 3. No good. For a second chance opportunity. Lays it up. No good. 5 seconds remaining. And that's the end of the first half with a score of 33 to 29 in favor of the Anunciacion Panthers.
take your time.
Back to the ball game. Okay, for your shoutouts, please use the official hashtag Bokal Season 3. Again, for your shoutouts, please use the hashtag Bokal Season 3. An announcement po, if Ateneo wins today, there will be a Game 2 tomorrow at the UNC Sports Palace at 3 p.m. And if Anunciacion wins, Game 2 of Juniors Division Finals versus NCF versus Daraga will be at 1:30 p.m. Thank you po.
Kung mayon jump ball kan si second preview dapat tigam bola kasi tigam bola Ateneo ball kasi bago kan si paglas ko dapat tigam bola.
Start of the third quarter. Number 13 to number 14. Number 14 to number 17. Number 17, floater, no good. Number 3, making a play for Ateneo. Number 3 to number 1. Number 1 to number 14. No huddle po. Okay, for the shoutouts, shoutout po kay Joel Martin Jr. by Ernie Provido. Shoutout din po kay Sir Ian Kelly Garces. Happy viewing po. Shoutout din kay Don Christian Colarina, Carl Pante, Kobe Rodrigueza, and Kier Baldemoro. Happy viewing po. Number 0 of Ateneo, unsportsmanlike foul.
Number 12,
And number 12 of Anunciacion College, warning for technical
for unsportsmanlike behavior.
for unsportsmanlike behavior. Thank you. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. "14-second shot clock, 14 seconds. Number 12 with the inbound. Pass to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Quick release. Three-pointer. It's good. Number 3. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to number 14. Number 14 to number 1. Number 1. Extra pass to number 14. Pump fakes. Inside layup. It's good. Number 12 of Anunciacion College. Driving, making a play. Pass to number 14. Number 14 guarded by number 3. Number 14 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, extra pass to the outside man. Fires for 3. Bang! Back-to-back three-pointers for the Anunciacion College. Number 3 to number 1. Number 1 to number 0, fires for 3. In and out, no good. Number 24, running, quick release, three-pointer, no good.
Number 24 of Anunciacion, technical for picking a foul.
First shot, no good. Ateneo basketball. Number 3. Extra pass to number 1. Number 1 to number 3. Fakes. Pass to the outside man. Rejected. Third chance opportunity by number 3. It's good. Number 24 to number 13. Number 13 guarded by 2 Ateneo Golden Knights. Extra pass to number 13. Pump fakes. Lays it up, no good. Second chance opportunity by number 12. Still no good. But foul call on number 0. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Substitution. Number 3 to number 1. Back to number 3. Extra pass to number 17. Fires a 3. No good. Number 1 to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Spins, pump fakes. Smothered by 3 defenders. Number 24 guarded by number 17. Extra pass to the outside man. Back to number 24. To number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on number 7. First personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 21 to number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Mid-range jumper. No good. Number 1. Pass to number 3. Number 3 fires for 3. No good. But a second chance opportunity by number 17. Number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 17. Back to number 1. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3. It's good. 2-pointer. Number 30, guarded by number 1 to number 14. Number 14 loses his defender, mid-range jumper. It's good. Number 3 to number 17. Number 17. Back to number 1, pump fakes. Back to number 17 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14. Fires for 3. No good. Number 17 running like the wind. Lays it up. No good. Number 3 running. Foul called on number 24. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Number 7 completes the inbound pass to number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31 lays it up. No good. For a second chance opportunity made by number 7. 4 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Ateneo. Number 10, guarded by number 16. Number 10, pass to number 13. Number 13, mid-range jumper. No good. Number 17 to number 31. Intercepted pass, but still Ateneo ball. Number 31 loses the ball and turns it over. Number 13 to number 10. Number 10 lays it up, still no good. Intercepted by number 10 again, lays it up, rejected by number 7. Substitution. "18-second shot clock, 18 seconds. Number 26 to number 10. Number 10 to number 17. Pump fakes. Mid-range jumper. No good. Foul called on number 7. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 21 to number 11, pump fakes. Lays it up, no good. Number 26 loses his balance. Still passes to number 14, extra pass to number 17. Back to number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Foul called on number 21, first personal foul, third team foul. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 55 seconds of the third quarter. Number 10, extra pass, but a turnover. Ateneo ball. Number 3. Number 3, got it by number 10. Number 3 with 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3 fires a three-pointer. No good, but a second chance opportunity by number 14, but still no good. Stepping on the line, turnover at the Ateneo ball. Number 3 loses the ball and a turnover. Number 10 to number 11. Again losing the ball. Another turnover by Anunciacion College. Substitution. Number 31 to number 26. Number 26. Extra pass to the inside man, but rejected by the defenders. Number 17 running like the wind, lays it up. It's good. Anunciacion now leads double digits. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 37 seconds of the third quarter. Number 17 completes the inbound pass to number 31. Number 31 back to number 17 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17 fires the three. No good. Second chance opportunity. It's good. Number 10 guarded by number 31. Number 10 making the play. Number 10 fires the three. No good. But a foul was called. Foul called on number 17. Number 17, second personal foul, penalty. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Number 11 fires a three, but no good. Number 0 passes to number 1. Number 1 running like the wind. Extra pass to number 13. Back to number 0. Spins, pump fakes, lays it up. It's good. Against all odds. Number 0 guarded by number foul called on number 1. First personal foul. Penalty. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Ateneo ball. Foul called on number 26. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 1 to number 31. Number 31, extra pass to number 26, but intercepted by number 11. Back to number 10. Number 10, running like the wind. Number 10, fakes mid-range jumper, no good. Foul called on number 1, second personal foul, penalty. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Substitution. Remaining time, 58 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Number 16, driving the ball for Ateneo. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Traveling violation. Substitution. Intercepted pass by Ateneo. Number 8 to number 17. Back to number 8. Mid-range jumper, no good. Number 11, heavily guarded by number 17. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to number 10. Number 10, guarded by number 16. Number 10, trying to lose his defender. Passes to number 26. Floater, no good. Air ball. Number 26 fires the 3. Still no good. Number 8, line pass. No good. Turnover. Shot clock is off. 3 seconds to shoot. And that's the end of the third quarter with a score of 49-40 in favor of the Anunciacion College. Back to the ball game. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in the fourth and final quarter. Let me hear your loudest cheers, Ateneo fans. Let me hear your loudest cheers, Anunciacion College fans. Number 17 to number 14, number 14, back to number 17, fires a 3, no good. Number 24, football pass to number 25, an easy layup for 2. Number 3, making a play. Back to number 1, number 1, fires a 3, no good. Foul called on number 14. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 24 completes the inbound. Number 24 guarded by number 17. Trying to lose his defender. Number 24. With 10 seconds to shoot, number 24 loses the defender. Floater, It's good. Number 3. Making a play for Ateneo. Back to number 17. Number 17 to number 3. To number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Extra pass to the outside man. Fires a 3. Still no good for Ateneo. Number 12 to number 24. Backcourt violation. Turnover. Substitution. Fourteen-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 26 to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26. Stolen by number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 14. Number 14 running like the wind. Pass to number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. 5 seconds to shoot. Timeout. Anunciacion College. 1 second shot clock. Shoutout po kay Don Christian Colarina and Kaiser Arroyo. Happy viewing. Shoutout din po kay Jovelyn Competente. One second shot clock. 1 second. Number 3. Guarded by number 14. Number 3 making a play for Ateneo again. Number 3 spins, lays it up, no good. Number 24 to number 14, running like the wind. Extra pass to number 2. Ateneo ball. Number 26 to number 3. Number 3 guarded by number 14. Number 14. Foul on number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. Second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 1. Extra pass to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on number 24. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Warning for exclusion. 14-second shot clock. Number 17 to number 1. Fires a 3. It's good! Number 13 to number 24. Guarded by number 17. Number 24. Still guarded by number 17. Turnover! number 24. Number 3. Guarded by number 14, passes to number 1, fires a long-range three-pointer. In and out for the second chance opportunity made by number 0. Number 3, extra pass to number 14, foul called. Foul call on number 24. 5th personal foul, excluded from the game. First shot is good. And that cuts the lead to within single digits. Second shot is good. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 33 seconds of the fourth and final quarter. Number 12, heavily guarded by number 0. Pass to the outside man for 3. No good. Number 3. Pass to number 1. Number 1 loses the ball. Stolen by number 14. The foul called on number 3. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 14 completes the inbound, guarded by number 3. Number 3, heavily guarded, number 14. Pass to number 26. Number 26 loses the ball, stolen by number 3. Number 3, extra pass to number 1. Pure step floater. It's good. 2-pointer. Now Ateneo slowly grasping for air. Number 14, extra pass to number 12, pump fakes. Rejected by number 14. Pass to number 1. Number 1, cooling it down for Ateneo. Pass to number 17. To number 3. Number 3 with 10 seconds to shoot. Extra pass to number 1, long range three-pointer. No good. Number 11, running like the wind. Counted. 2-pointer. Foul called on number 21. Timeout, Ateneo. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 13 seconds of the fourth and final quarter, with a score of 55-47 in favor of the Anunciacion College. Okay, shoutout daw po kay Laika Marinda by Don Colarina. Shoutout din po kay Donovan Nale. Happy viewing po. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Sir Joe Asabal. Happy viewing po. And he completes the three-point play. Number 17 completes the inbound. Number 17 to number 0. Number 0 to number 1. Number 1 extra pass to number 14. Fires a 3. Bang! 3-pointer! Number 12 slightly loses the ball. Guarded by number 0. Number 0 still guarding number 12. Traveling violation. Turnover. Substitution. Number 17 to number 31 to complete the inbound. Number 31 guarded by number 10. Number 31. Pass to number 17. Number 17 to number 14 with 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14 against all odds rejected by number 11. Intercepted pass. But a turnover. Number 10 running like the wind. Lays it up. No good. But a foul was called on number 0. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Two shots for number 10. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Number 1 to number 3. Number 3, guarded by number 10. Number 3, intercepted pass by number 14. Extra pass to number 17. Back to number 14, to number 11. Pump fakes. Number 11, reverse layup, no good. Number 7 to number 1. Number 1, Euro-step floater, no good. Number 10 to number 14. Number 14 back to number 10. Number 10 losing his defender. Back to number 12 to number 17. Back to number 12. Number 14 running. Foul called. Foul called on number 12. Second personal foul. Okay, shoutout daw po kay Trisha Baldonado na may gusto daw po sa number 10 ng Sorsogon. Shoutout din po kay Ina na batang pasaway.
Number 12 of pronunciation, unsportsmanlike foul.
First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Substitution. Second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 0 completes the inbound. Number 0 to number 7, pump fakes, pass to number 17, three-pointer, no good. Number 12 to number 10, running like a wind, extra pass to number 17, layup, no good. Number 0 to number 7. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 50 seconds, the fourth and final quarter. Number 7 to number 3. Number 3 to number 1. Number 1 to number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 17 to the inside man. Mid-range jumper. In and out, no good. Second chance opportunity. Lays it up, no good. But still, Ateneo ball.
Shoutout po kay Jacqueline Balasta and Jeremy Ivan Peralta. Shoutout din po kay Benny G.
Anunsasyon ball. Number 10 completes the inbound play. Number 10 guarded by number 3. Number 3 to number 10. Number 10 trying to lose his defender. Number 10, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 to number 17, back to number 10, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 10, quick release, three-pointer, it's good! Three-pointer! Last 2 minutes! Number 1, Euro step pass to number 7, to number 3, to number 0, fires a 3, bang! And that's a revenge three-pointer by Ateneo. Number 14 to number 10. Backcourt violation. Turnover. Substitution. Timeout. Ateneo. Remaining time, 1 minute and 43 seconds of the fourth and final quarter. With a score of 61 to 54, still in favor of Anunsasyon College.
Shoutout po kay Daddy B. Sabi ni Fiona.
Back to the ball game. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Number 3 to number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1. 5 seconds to shoot. Lays it up. It's good. And 1. Foul on number 11. Second personal foul. First personal foul. Penalty. Three-point play not completed, but a second chance opportunity made by number 14. Lays it up. Still no good. Number 10. Guarded by number 3. Pass to number 11. Number 11 to number 10. Number 10 losing his defender. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 lays it up. No good. In and out. And a foul called on number 11. Second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, 1 minute and 6 seconds of the fourth and final quarter. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Timeout, Anunciacion College. Back to the ball game. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Number 11 to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 14 to number 1. Number 1 to number 17. Fires a three. And no good. But a second chance opportunity by number 14. Number 14 losing the ball. Same ball, Ateneo.
Substitution. 9-second shot clock. 9 seconds. Number 1 to number 3 to number 7. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 7 fires the three. Bang! It's good! 3-pointer! Number 10 to number 12. Turnover! Ateneo ball! Time up! Ateneo! Remaining time, 13 minutes of the fourth and final quarter. Let me hear your loudest cheers, Ateneo fans! Shoutout po kay Kier Valdemoro and brother Apichinale. Shoutout din po kay Kaiser Arroyo, yung naka-gray sa gilid. Shot clock is off. 13 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Seconds. Number 1 to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10. Four seconds remaining. Time out, Anunciacion College. Back to the ball game. Two free throws for number 14. First shot is good. Second shot, no good.
Congratulations, Anunciacion College, with a score of 62-60. GG, well played.